2. We're live. Sweet.
We are live.
All
Hey.
right.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I have Mason in the kitchen with me. Mason is back from Thailand as of yesterday.
Yeah, crazy.
How long were
Crazy.
you gone for?
28 days. Bangkok to Krabi to Chiang Mai. Yeah, amazing time. So glad I went. Now, gonna make some sweet cheesecake with my mom.
So, you guys, we're going to make a cheesecake, and I've never made a keto cheesecake before. Usually I make the boys, when they were growing up, my famous cheesecake, which was full of carbs, lots of carbs. But we're going to try to actually make a keto cheesecake out of the same recipe, but actually switch some of the ingredients. So Mason has creamed 3 packages of cream cheese, 1.5 pounds. Here's scooching. 1.5 pounds, and so he's creamed that with 3 eggs. And now we're gonna put, we're gonna try to figure out, get the cat down. She does this every time, doesn't she, guys? She knows we're talking to the people out there. So I'm gonna try a couple different alcohol sugars, and we'll see if we can kick her down. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna, no. Okay, sorry you guys. Okay, she's like wickedly bad. I'm gonna spray her.
She's good.
What is wrong with her? No, she's not. Go away. There, now she's good. Okay, so we are going to, if I had Swerve, I'd probably want to use Swerve, but I don't have Swerve, so we're just gonna wing it. So my normal recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar. So I think I'm gonna put a mixture. I'm gonna put 1/3 of xylitol, and then, oh, who's here, Mason? Can you see?
Fiona Saunders, Adriana Storms.
Oh my gosh! Hello, Adriana.
Hello.
How are you doing? I'm making keto cheesecake. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. Okay, so and then we're gonna use, what sugar is this? Erythritol. We're gonna do 1/3 of that. So stir that around a little bit, nice. We're just gonna try a combination of sugars. Sugar alcohol. Oh, what did she say? Ew, dairy free? Dairy free. No. I'll be putting whipping cream in. Sorry. Lots of cream. Okay, and this one is a mixture. It's a stevia blend. So I think using just stevia can be a little bit hard for people to take. So we're gonna try. That's why we're trying a combination. So I'm gonna get Mason to try it. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, we're gonna put 2 cups of cream, whipping cream. I bet there's dairy-free ones out there for cheesecake, but yeah. So we put 2 cups of cream. So far, for those of you, oh look, it's Tina Rose. That's my sister's daughter. Yeah, she's gorgeous. Say hi to her.
Hey Tina, how's it going?
I hope that you get to see her one day. Okay, stop that for a minute. And then, okay, so here, scrape down the sides. So basically, we have my famous cheesecake recipe, which we're going to try to turn into a keto cheesecake. Now, the other day, I screwed up on some muffins. The other day, if you guys watched my video, I made muffins, zucchini chocolate muffins with coconut flour. I made them with Mike when Mike was here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
But we didn't like them. They didn't turn out good. So I saved them, and then I just turned it into a crust. So as you can see, I just pressed it into this. So we'll see how that turns out. Oh, Matthew! Hello, Matthew, my love. You got to come into my kitchen.
Mateus.
We got to do some kind of video together. So come on by. We'll do something tomorrow. Okay, so it's 1.5 pounds of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar. That's the old recipe. The new recipe is 3 different kinds of sugar alcohols and stevia. We took 3 eggs, 2 cups of 32% cream. This one was 36%. More fat, the better. And then we put some vanilla extract in there. And I took some dark chocolate and I chopped it up, and we're going to fold that in. So yeah. So what do we got in there? We got everything we need in there. Now we want to taste it.
By the way, Matt, I got a little thing, a present for you.
Oh.
So come on by. Yeah.
I know, Mason brought presents for everyone. Isn't that nice? Oh, who's that?
Shayna. Shayna.
Oh, hello there. It's so nice to have so many people on. We have like 4 people on.
Alrighty, what's next?
Okay, well, we want to taste it. Oh. I think this might be good. Yeah. So we're making a keto cheesecake for those of you guys who've missed it. I think I'm going to put a little bit more, what do you think? More stevia? Just a little bit?
Yeah, sounds good.
That's a stevia mix. And we're going to put a little bit more of this. So we'll try that. And then maybe we're going to stick more vanilla in there.
Should I get this going? Can I go?
Yep, let's give it a little bit more. Any of you guys have questions? Oh, look, who's that? What is he saying?
Cool, I'm heading to Calgary today, so I'll visit my
Okay. Oh, guess what,
Nana,
guys?
Nana.
I got a new romper from Indigo Bay downtown. It is gorgeous. It's got little pockets here. It's really stretchy, and it's like a muscle shirt. Anyway, I love my rompers.
Rompers.
Hey, I think this is gonna be good. You can't lose with whipping cream, cream cheese, eggs. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if let's pour it in. Here. Go like this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to pour it into here, and we're going to bake it for what? 350 for how long? I think I usually do it for, geez, I don't know.
Bake for 1
Entertain everybody. Is it 1 hour?
hour. Yeah, bake for 1 hour at 350.
Okay, good. Okay, you pour it in there, love.
Alright, and then chocolate on top, or?
Yeah, I think we're going to, because the chocolate, if we sprinkle it on top, it'll kind of go down.
Mm-hmm. Keep going until it's done.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting! I'm gonna eat the whole thing myself. I love this lifestyle. This lifestyle makes me very happy. Oh no, it's leaking. That's okay. We'll get a thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't sealed enough on the bottom. Oh god. Whoopsie. Whoopsie, again. Okay, that's what happens sometimes. Okay, right? Okay. Okay, grab a plate. Or like a thing. Yeah, cloth. So we're gonna sprinkle chocolate. Dark chocolate over top. Okay, Mason. Oh, there was a big chunk. And any of the bigger chunks will probably just go to the bottom. And then you'll have like a bit of a chocolate chocolate bottom. Okay, I think that's good.
Beautiful.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, you open the oven.
Sweet.
Nice romper. I know. I love my romper. No, bottom one, sweet. Okay, here, just a minute, guys. Okay, shut it. Okay, so there you have it. We did it. We made a keto cheesecake. Rompers are so amazing.
They're hot right now.
They are so hot.
All the cool chicks and cool young girls love them. It's the new style for sure.
And you know what? It's so easy to get on and off.
Boom.
What am I wearing? Oh, guess what this is? This is a fun thing that I love. It's a tank top. It's from Nex. It is my favorite. You don't have to wear a bra. It's nice and smooth.
Looks high quality.
It is high quality. And I love Nix. Knix. Nex products. Come over here.
Yeah.
And I have the underwear. The underwear are awesome too. Anyway, so I have tank tops and I have underwear. Okay. Oh, and I have bras. Okay. There.
Everything.
Okay, you guys. Anyone have any questions? We have 2 people on now. No questions? Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
Alright.
So, you know what? Maybe we'll come back later and show you how it tastes.
Yeah. See
Okay.
how it went.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Love you guys.
It's gonna be good.
Okay. Bye.